This is a love reading for you, Libra, for you and your love interest and your partner. If you're married, then your spouse, maybe it's your boyfriend, it's your girlfriend, maybe someone you have a crush on. So this is a general reading and everything will not apply to all Libra, and whatever may resonate or feel like is talking to you will vary in the intensity. So let us see how's the guidance. Who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? Likewise, your partner has about you. What is the past you're coming from, your partner is coming from, and how is overall the reading? So, one, Libra, it looks like money is very important to you, and you believe for happily ever after to happen, there should definitely be money with you and your partner. You want a moneyed partner, somebody who has a good job or a good financial situation. You're not someone who can live on breadcrumbs, budgeting, poverty, or just trying to make ends meet. You may have told this to your partner also, that you do want money in your situation or even for love to happen. So, a lot of people may want to judge you, Libra, but you're very clear in your head and heart that a good life precedes love. That for love to happen, there should be good life. This is just how you think. I'm also seeing that you may be someone who likes a lot of gifts or has or is very vocal about getting gifts in the relationship, that I would like to have this gift, maybe I can get this gift, something like that. Who is your partner? Your partner is someone very creative, and I'm seeing that he or she is a very outdoors person. It's quite possible that the person you're dating, Libra, is someone who is an explorer or some kind of does adventure sports or has some, outdoor adventure company. I'm just saying that your partner is more in the nature and out than in a corporate job or working 9 to 5. And that could be the reason why money may not be as strong or big as you possibly want, or you would like things to be. So I'm not saying a money situation, but you're very clear that there should be a lot of money and good comfortable life for love to happen and the situation to turn around between the two of you. Also, I'm saying is your partner is very passionate. If he or she is in love with you, which is what it is looking, they bring their best foot forward and without any conditions. So, a very genuine, loving partner that you have with you, Libra. Now, what is the strength or challenges you bring and your partner brings? You've been trying to get some kind of help, or you may have been trying your hand at meditation or just trying to play some music, and looks like you're still struggling with it. A certain hobby or an interest has not paid off or has not given you the kind of result you have wanted. Also, help wise, lot of help may not have reached you just yet, Libra. I'm just saying that you're trying a lot. You are meeting a lot of people telling your situation, how some concession or something should come your way. When I see this in the relationship, I'm just seeing the two of you are not telling your problems to each other while you're in an individual space you have told how things should be, but on a very emotional, how you think or how your emotions are, you both are keeping it bit hidden. I'm not saying there's much that you're telling, and certain things that you're struggling with, Libra, are with you only. And maybe you will, show this as a surprise to your partner as in when it happens. So you are learning something new to surprise your partner, or maybe you're asking for some help in some which way. It's possible some of you are in some kind of a band, so you have a regular job going, and then you have this band or this dance group that you are with, and it's not yet starting to get you much results. Challenge wise, I am seeing your partner is meeting a certain ending. It's quite possible he or she is put an end to something, and it could be career wise, it could be a previous company, resignation from a previous company, and then joining a new company. I'm just saying there is a certain ending. It's quite possible the two of you started dating or being together when the partner, you were still with your ex. So now the person is a ex, but it's quite possible the two of you started being together when you were still with your the person you were in love with, or your ex. Because I'm seeing the ending is only coming now when you are with Libra, not before. So some of you may have ended a certain relationship, and you're not talking about it. It's a very big change in you, and you're taking things as it is coming now. And you both are not talking or telling much about emotions to each other. How do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? One, you both see each other as a very easy energy to handle. You see, here is a small boy, and then here are a group of girls who are playing and laughing and dancing. So you both see each other as very easy energy to handle. And and there are cups here, so there are cups here, there are cups here. So you both see each other as similar to each other, or you mirror each other a lot, but just that things are not as smooth. So you see your partner, Libra, as someone who, despite all the effort or as much as you can do, still stays very demanding, or keeps saying no to a lot of things. So love wise, you have tried and tested a lot of things, and your partner doesn't say yes to many things so easily, and that could be the reason why you're not telling a lot of things to your partner, and you try to keep it as a surprise, and then just let it know when thing is done or something like that. It's also possible because you see your partner as this emotionally non-responsive person, you start talking about money, and then start being practical. So as a partner, you're going through a lot of change. Maybe you have experienced a death of a loved one, maybe it was a friend or a family. So you have experienced something as a partner, and emotionally you're not responding. But then you shouldn't be so rejecting or cold that it's starting to affect Libra in a way that he or she is starting to become very, very practical and just talk about money and not love and emotions in the relationship. How does your partner see you, Libra? Your partner believes that you always keep complaining, I'm not with my friends anymore, I'm not with my family anymore, I miss my family, I miss my friends. And it's possible the two of you may have relocated, or you have moved way away from your place of residence. So your partner believes, Libra, you forever keep complaining that you don't have friends to go out with, or some of your best friends are not close enough because you have moved. And you're also complaining that you're not able to be in touch with your family as much. So emotionally there are a lot of complaints. You have a complaint that your partner is cold and non-responsive, and likewise your partner has a lot of complaints emotionally about you. Now So the best is, when I see this kind of cards, you both just want to take a off or a leave and then go travel somewhere, where you can just stop complaining, or you can just be with together and be in the nature. So maybe Libra, you can go on one of the trips with your partner, and then things would be much easier or okay between the two of you. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? Your partner believes this can be a winning relationship with you, and there is a lot of success that will come, or the two of you will be together forever. So I'm seeing that this is the energy which is developing in the future. So your partner is very attracted to you, is very passionate about you or how things are, and he or she wants to make it work for the long term. Very, very sold out, you know, totally believes that this is happily ever after, or there is a lot of togetherness and happiness the two of you are going to have. Your partner is very convinced, Libra. Libra, you see, the fear you have about this relationship, about the future, is you are not sure if you can completely trust your partner. Maybe it is possible he or she told you about their ex or their spouse or their partner after he or she started dating you, and this is where your insecurity or trust issues come up, that he or she may again play some mental game or mind game, and then may have a trick for you. So this is how you believe about the future, that he or she could do the same thing to you what they did to the ex, that not tell, start to date someone and then break up. So this is your fear. I'm just seeing emotionally things are on a roller coaster, and you're very affected about the future somehow, Libra. You both should definitely sit down and talk it out, or just go travel for things to work out or look good. What is the past you're coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? I'm seeing you are a very easy to get along person, Libra. So whenever someone talks to you or meets you or bonds with you, you come half the way. So you are true with your promises. You are a keeper of someone's emotions. So in the past you've been giving, and you've been very nice to people, and this is the energy you carry forward. But now I'm just saying there's a bit of emotional change in you, but you come from a very giving, helping, loving energy. And you see, I again see cups here. So your partner has more or less the same background. He or she also cares about emotions. In the past, I'm seeing your partner. So you could be with someone who was separated for a very long time, or just has way lot of admirers. You see, this is a rack full of cups. So your partner either was single for a lot of time, or just was dating way lot of people, either of the two. So I'm just saying there is something emotionally here. This could also be a relationship about where, Libra, you're feeling bit of jealous or insecure that your partner may get stolen. You may not have your partner with you for the long term. The lot of trust issues and insecurity reasons, because I'm seeing here the lot of admirers that your partner has, and it is also coming from the past. Now, how's overall the love reading, guidance for the love reading? Oh, this is as good as it can get. I'm just seeing the Lover's card, and it's telling me this is true love. It is what you're experiencing is very, very true, very raw, and both of you are very open with each other. So there are no reasons for you, Libra, to worry. I'm just saying that this is a very genuine love relationship, and as a partner, you are also meeting Libra, half the way, or you're completely mirroring how good and genuine Libra is with you. So this is a very beautiful union. You both may be enjoying a lot of time together, or if you are fighting for time together, maybe you should be definitely be scheduling it or making taking a trip out. I'm just saying this is so much love here, and you both feel good being with each other and you bring out the best in each other. So, and this relationship, when I get this kind of guidance, it is a promise of happily ever after or long term together or being true lovers. So, you both feel very understood, loved with each other when you are together or you're just meeting. I'm just seeing great love here. If you're married, very soon I see you having children, or there is a next level coming in this union or marriage. Very, very beautiful guidance.